Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be making a fun, quick card. It's going to be quick because I did a lot of stuff ahead of time, but we're going to be using the Beautiful Ordinary Life Designer Series paper. We're going to have the Everyday Arches dies, the Summer Happiness bundle, so it comes with stamps and dies, and we're also going to be using the coordinating washi tape. This does not come together, but it does coordinate. You can cut the washi tape images out with the dies here. We're also going to be using the Bordered in Beauty bundle, which does coordinate or is in a suite of products with this. I do believe, let's see, I didn't write it. Didn't write it down, but we're going to be using actually just the dies. I put the stamps here just so you can see that they were in a bundle. But yes, this is the Bordered in Beauty suite, the Beautiful Ordinary Life suite. So it coordinates with this designer series paper. Okay, so these are the products that we're going to be using, and we're going to be pairing these products with the June 2026 sheet load of cards from Call Me Crafty Owl. And we're going to be making this card here or similar to it. All right, but before we get started on our project, of course, we have to go over the buzzworthy business of the day. We have our Aspens of Gratitude paper pumpkin kit that's going to make 10 cards. Early Espresso is the stamping spot, and it has some coordinating dies that you can purchase if you are subscribe to the paper pumpkin. I do have a link in my description box below for you to sign up for the paper pumpkin if you haven't already done so. Next up, we have our product of the month, which is the Glow of Harvest Designer Series paper. It is a specialty paper. It has pearl, the whole sheet, all the sheets are pearlized. Oh my goodness. They are single-sided, but you get 12 sheets, 2 each of 6 different designs. You can purchase this for $5 when you spend $75 or more in a single order. And this may run out, so get it while you can because it is while supplies lasts. Next up, we have our Cardstock and Designer Series paper sale that goes to August 31st. It includes all types of cardstock, but not all cardstock, okay? But all types. So there's only a select few things that are on sale for 15% off, so go ahead and check that out on the website. We have our mystery boxes. These are the medium flat rate USPS boxes that I've stuffed with new and used retired Stampin' Up product. I'm asking just $35 for each box. Shipping is included. If you're interested, please email me at stampwithshana@gmail.com. Lastly, we have our Stampin' Rewards program. This is where you earn 10% on all orders, $20 or more, excluding tax and shipping. Redeem rewards on future orders. You track and save rewards in your online Stampin' Up account, and those rewards do expire 12 months after the earning date, okay? And I just picked up something that I shouldn't have. All right, so we are about to get started on this quick card. So the first thing we're going to do is put our inside together. For the inside, I have some Lost Lagoon. It is 5 by 3 3/4. I'm going to attach some basic white to that. That is 3.5 by 4 3/4. That I added a little bit of that washi tape at the bottom just to give it a decorative border. I did not measure that washi tape, so I don't know how wide of a piece I put on there. I just took out, you know, a little bit. This is going to go on the inside of our card base, which is thick basic white. 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. And we're just going to try to center that in the inside. Okay, we have that done. So now the next thing I want to do is some die cutting. I have some Designer Series paper here. We're going to die cut this using one of the Bordered in Beauty dies. So let me get my mini Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine out. You guys store your machine with your plates in there like I just had that. So I'm going to put this die kind of cattywampus on here. I don't need it to be straight across. So we're just going to, but I do want it to be higher on this side. Oh, maybe I should washi tape this down because it's dancing all around this paper, isn't it? So let's get some washi tape. hold that right there. That didn't do a good job. Okay, so we have that done. Just leave that washi tape on there. It can hold my die up in the air. So we're gonna put some things together. So I went ahead and put some washi tape on some basic white cardstock. And I cut this like a 1/4 of an inch smaller than what the PDF is calling for, because I am going to layer my pieces onto some petal pink. This is petal pink. Oh goodness. And this layer is not in the PDF design card sketch, so I just wanted to add something. Okay, so we're gonna just glue these down on here. So I have some liquid glue. Ooh, that's a lot of glue. And as you can see, I already die cut the edge of this piece using that same die. I just used the opposite side. So this is what it's supposed to leave scallops. And on this one, I used the die to where the scallops is the part I threw away. Just because I wanted it to be, I don't know, different. Just trying something different. Now the sketch calls for these pieces to be torn, to have torn edges, but I didn't know how well that washi tape would tear while it's connected to the cardstock, so I just decided to die cut it. Ooh, that's crooked. Let me see. Oh, that's stuck down. So let's try to get this one here straighter. Okay. Then I'm gonna put this onto the front of our card base. Just like this. I like these colors. You guys know I'm way behind. Summer is almost over and I'm just now getting to this summer, what is it called? Summer and Happiness? Summer Happiness, just Summer Happiness. And yeah, well, I was busy, real busy. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do is some stamping. So I've already die cut my sentiment piece, and I added some washi tape on some white cardstock, and then I die cut it out. That way the die could get the washi tape on there. But we're gonna stamp our sentiment on this, and we're gonna get some strawberry slush ink, because strawberry slush is one of the colors in the designer series paper. Well, in the washi tape, I should say, that I made into designer series paper. So we're gonna do that. And I'm just gonna stamp this on here. Fun in the sun. And I think that's all I'm gonna use that for. Then I have some crushed curry here, which is another color in the washi tape. And I'm gonna stamp this sun. Just like that. Isn't that pretty? Now this image is in the washi tape, and I could have die cut it out of the washi tape, but I wanted to stamp it just because. So before the video, I stamped it and die cut it out using the dies. So that is that. And then I also die cut these pair of shades from the washi tape. Now this is actually from the washi tape. Okay. And then I also die cut another arch, a layering arch in Lost Lagoon. So let's go ahead and layer these two together. Told you this card is going to be real quick. Only thing I didn't think about was the embellishments. And I'm thinking I want to use some sequins or just some rhinestone gems. Now, do I want to pop this up? I do believe I do. So let me get some dimensionals. Put this up on Stampin' Dimensionals. I'm gonna call that enough, you guys. Ooh. When I said that, I felt funny. Because I really want to put some more on there, but I'm gonna call that enough. And we're just gonna set this on here. Man, I'm covering up that pretty flower. If I would have paid attention, I would have die cut that flower out. Man, that would have been perfect to do. I'm gonna pull it up a little bit. We're just gonna put it right there like that. Then I'm gonna take our sun and I'm gonna pop that up on a dimensional. Let's see. I'm gonna stick it underneath there a little bit because it's gonna be hanging over the edge like that. Then I wanna put these up on dimensionals. So I'm gonna put it as close as I can to this little area here and try to keep it from being seen. You know what? I think I should, well, it's on there now. I was gonna cut it in half, but it's on there now. Uh-oh, there's my die falling down. So let's see. And I'll put a little bit of glue right in the middle to help hold that onto our card. And if I was live, I would get your opinion on what embellishments I should use. Some sequins or the rhinestones. But I'm not live. I can't go live because my house is always crazy. I really don't want to cover up that flower. Let's lower that. There we go. Put that like that. I should have put a little bit of glue under this sun. I keep doing this with stuff that I'm adding to the corners of things. Let's put glue under there. Okay, now that is that. That is the card done. Now we just need to get some embellishments. Okay, so these are the two embellishments that I'm thinking about. The rhinestone basic jewels or the strawberries and dots, because this has strawberry slush. And I was thinking about these dots because there's little dots in here. Then I also thought I could even use the fruit, the strawberries, because there are cherries and things in here. And I think though, I just want to keep it simple and use this because I do want to add some Winka Stella to our sun here. So maybe the rhinestones would be just perfect. Because it'll just be the same kind of shimmer. So we have our rhinestones here. And I am going to use a couple of these around the card. I'm going to put one right here. Just because. And I'm going to put, let's put one there. Let's use another one of these small ones. I can put a bunch of these because they're so tiny. Uh-oh. Where did that thing just dropped out of nowhere? That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do one more. One more. How about we do it? Should we do it here? Here? Here. Let's do it there. And that is it, you guys. That is our card. This is the June 2026 Show Us Your Sheet Load by Call Me Crafty Al card sketch using the Summer Happiness bundle and coordinating washi tape, along with the Everyday Arches dies, the Bordered and Beauty dies, and the Beautiful Ordinary Life Designer Series paper. Really cute. Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the hive today. Until next time, buzz you later.